Today, we're doing a Tom Collins. The Collins is the tallest of tall drinks and is so served at practically all bars. A special glass has even been created for it, the Collins glass, which holds 12, 14, or even 16 ounces against the ordinary highball glass of only 6 ounces. We're just going to use like a pint glass because that's a 16-ounce glass. Basically, the Collins is simply a sour served in a tall glass with ice and charged water. Or stated in another way, it's a lemonade made with charged water and spiked with gin or some other liquor. So that's a good little overall description of a Tom Collins. I've heard that name a lot, and I suddenly realized we haven't done one. So it seems like a good one. It seems like a kind of a slightly fancier gin and tonic. We'll get into it. So a Tom Collins, you start off with 1 tablespoon sugar syrup. This is a batch I've made already. Then you're going to use the juice of 1 entire lemon. Just 1 lemon, all the juice it has. We have this fancy duck. Quack, quack, quack. Second half of the lemon. Then we'll use 3 to 4 ounces of gin, obviously, aviation. That's basically like 2 jiggers is what it says. Very professional. Of course, we want to add some ice. And it says in the book charged water, which is just sparkling water, just straight up. So this is LaCroix Pure. Apparently LaCroix uses or has a just unflavored version, which is basically just takes away that weird flavor that they usually have. Pure, sparkling, beautiful. We're gonna stir this bad boy up with our fancy little stirring device. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Tom Collins. Also, there's a lot of varieties of these, and they have a lot of hilarious names based on what kind of liquor they are. Like a Mike Collins is with Irish whiskey. It's the only difference. Instead of gin. It's probably good. You go first. I'm excited to try it.
Oh, it's fucking good. Oh, that's really good. Are you gonna make one for yourself?
Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to. Try Tom Collins, they're actually quite tasty.
Ooh.
I've never had one before. I like it a lot better than a gin and tonic. It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Go team. That's like one of the better, more refreshing drinks out of this book so far.